Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And in today's video, we'll be doing a portfolio review showing guys how our portfolio has performed over the last few weeks. And you actually might see a different kind of video format for this video compared to our usual videos. It's actually not a small difference, it's a pretty big difference, and that's because we're recording on our phone. And the reason for that is because my computer, I have a laptop, FYI, the fans are just so loud whenever I try to record something, do a few tasks at the same time. The fans are so loud that when I try recording, you could barely hear my voice. The only thing you hear in the background is just the fans. So if any of you guys watching this video right now have any recommendations to buy any kind of laptop, I'd sincerely appreciate it. Because I'm looking to buy one that I can actually use for YouTube videos as well, so the fans don't just 500 fans don't turn on when I open a Chrome tab up or something. So if you guys have any recommendations, please put it in the comment section below, and then let's get into the video. So as you can see, our portfolio is sitting at around $4,940, and the reason that it's actually higher than last week's is because I did deposit $500 more into the portfolio, and that's because I saw some great buying opportunities, and that's exactly what I did. I bought some stocks. And in today's video, we'll be going over the stocks that I bought, how our portfolio has performed, and the stocks that I'm looking to buy in the near future. And since the stock market is going down, I'm actually pretty interested in buying some stocks. I'm not sitting on the sidelines that much anymore. I'm gonna be buying more intensely, you could say. So starting off, our portfolio on the one-day chart, we're down around 3.5%, which is pretty bad, to be honest. In the 1 week chart, we're down 4.07%. In the 1 month chart, we are down $92. 3 month chart, we're actually up, we're up $500, around 11%. And all time, we are down like $849, so around 15%. It's funny because I was actually down like $500 a few days ago, like right here. And I was like, wow, we're actually making it back, but I guess not, because of what recently happened. So here are the stocks that are basically holding. I'm just going to scroll through a few, but I'm going to go over the stocks that I did buy this week. So with the $500 that I deposited, I bought 1 share of Microsoft. We can see right here in the history. I don't know why I bought $4 worth. Oh yeah, because I think I was buying it with dollars on X. No, that was previous purchase, my bad. No, so we just bought 1 flat out share of Microsoft for like dollar, I wish, $197 per share. So now we're currently holding 3 shares of Microsoft at an approximate market value of $590, which isn't too bad. I'm looking to add more Microsoft to my portfolio, but right now I'm still happy at the amount I have, and we're currently up around 10% on this, so around $54. So that's pretty good. And I didn't buy many other stocks, like any other big stocks. I just bought a few, I think, fractional shares. So one of those fractional shares was Apple, and I did buy, how much did I buy? I bought like, I don't know why I bought $36 worth. I don't know why I bought $36 worth of it. Oh, I remember. I was buying 0.1 of a share of Apple because I wanted to see if you can buy in fractional shares without actually putting a dollar amount. You could like put like 0.05 shares or something, and that turned out to work, so that was pretty cool. But I also was interested in buying Apple. I didn't do that just to test out if it works or not. So I was just happy to get a little bit more of Apple in. I didn't have that much cash at that point, so I just used it all up on this Apple purchase. And on Apple, we're currently up around $147, or around 60%, which is doing pretty fire, pretty good. We're sitting with Uber. It's not doing us too well. I didn't buy or sell any of these, but I'm pretty sure that, why does it say okay, I thought I had 9 shares of Skyworks. That freaked me out a little bit. But I'm pretty sure, did we buy yes, I think we bought $50 worth of Skyworks Solutions. And I just wanted to get my feet a little bit more wet in this company because I see a lot of potential in it, because it's more of it's in the 5G sector, which may have a decent amount of potential in the future. We haven't quite gotten to it yet as much as I would expect. So I think in the near future, it might be expanding, which may cause stocks like Skyworks to go up. So I definitely think Skyworks Solutions is a good stock to buy. I may keep on buying, but right now I'm good with what I have. We'll see what happens in the future. And one stock that I actually want to sell is Procter and Gamble, and I want to sell this in basically all the brokerages I have, because Procter and Gamble is honestly kind of a slow stock. When I bought it, it was growing pretty nicely, but now it's just been consolidating. I obviously won't sell it right now when the stock market dipped down, because I'm going to lose like a few dollars per share. I'd rather just wait it out. Once this whole thing recovers a little bit, I could get out maybe $3-4 per share more on each share. And I want to leave this stock because it's not really giving me anything other than dividends. And the dividends are basically paying off my capital losses. So it's not really a good stock that's been bringing me money, and I just want to get rid of it if it's not bringing me money. It's simple. All right, we got some AT&T, good, PSEC. Oh, and a strategy that I actually wanted to implement in the near future is selling puts. But I was thinking about getting a little more capital to do that, because you can't really do that with like less than $1,000. You would try to have at least $1,000 to $3,000 before selling puts, but that's something I may be looking to do in the future. So that's just an FYI. I might be looking to get rid of Armor Residential. I don't know why I hold this stock. It's honestly crappy stock. It fell back. It fell down so much. I'm down like 47% in it. Good thing I only bought one share, but I don't know why I bought that. I gotta get rid of that. But yeah. And the rest of the stocks that we bought this week are basically just Boeing, basically half a share of Boeing for $90. And I'm currently down around 9% on it. I bought exactly $100 worth. My bad. So we bought $100 worth and we lost around 10% on that. So it's not doing us too well. But the reason I bought it is because I saw that Boeing was at such a low price compared to where it used to be at. And I know Boeing's a pretty decent company. And if they do recover, they're going to recover to a pretty high price, probably to where they were at before. Don't mark my words on this, but because I'm not a financial advisor or anything, but I just have a good feeling. I just have that good feeling about Boeing, if you guys know what I mean. So if it does recover, we'll be able to 2x our money, which is pretty good. So yeah, that's why we're holding basically Boeing. And that's basically what we bought in our portfolio this week. But the stock market keeps falling. And why is that so? The whole bat bug situation is sort of returning. I feel like it's a little bit BS. It's just short-term market news. It's not anything that's going to affect the market for a long amount of time. In my opinion, I feel like a few states are going to release some data that there's more and more cases, but I don't hopefully think that it's going to affect the market as badly as the first kind of crash it had right here. So I'm thinking this is going to be slightly smaller if it does end up being it, but please don't don't listen to me. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, have your own opinions. These are just my opinions and my ideas, but that's what I personally think. I personally think that it's going to be a little small hiccup, which is a good place to buy some stocks, and it'll keep going up. But the stocks that I'm looking to buy in the near future, probably next week, one of them is Apple. I think Apple is doing a phenomenal job. If you look at the charts, it's been growing like crazy. In the last 3 months, it's grown by almost 40%. So I might be looking to build a position up in Apple of about 2 shares. We currently have 1.1. So try to get 2 shares of Apple within the next week or two, or hopefully the next few weeks. And I'm good with the amount of Facebook I have. Unless it drops a little bit more, I might be looking to buy some. But right now, I think we're good with Facebook. But one of the biggest stocks that I want to buy, and I really just want to buy this one in bulk, and that is Microsoft. I really am a firm believer in Microsoft. It's one of my favorite growth stocks. And as a bonus, they also pay a pretty nice dividend of 1%. So you can't complain. I don't know why, but I, for some reason, just like Microsoft a little more than Apple. I have no idea why. It's just, I think it's at a cheaper price, so it's more affordable for more people just to buy it. Not everyone can just afford to throw $360 into a stock if they don't have fractional shares. So Microsoft is a little bit more affordable. But I don't know. I just have a good feeling about Microsoft. I know the company. I use their products. I think it's high quality. So I just see them going up in the future. And I'm looking to actually make Microsoft like a large part of my portfolio. I'm looking something close to 20 to 25% maybe. I might be looking to buy maybe 1 to 2 shares in the next few weeks. If it continues to go down, then there's no reason for me not to buy some more shares of Microsoft, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm pretty stoked about that. I really want to get some more Microsoft because I just see so much growth potential ahead of it. I could see myself looking at my portfolio like through 4 or 5 years from now, and I'm going to be like, wow, good thing I bought Microsoft at $200. Now it's at like $350, or now it's at like $450, something like that. I could see that happening. Like for some stocks, that really is impossible, but I think that Microsoft's actually a really good stock, in my opinion. So yeah, that's basically the stocks that we're looking to buy, mostly Apple and Microsoft, and that's how our portfolio has performed over the last week. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.